Hello and greetings to everyone. We are to convert the following. Here we have 90,000 millimeters to meters. For B we have 100,000 centimeters to kilometers. We take solution. Here we are to convert 90,000 millimeters to meters. First, for us to do this conversion, we know that 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. First, we are going to start by converting the 90,000 millimeters to centimeters. 90,000 millimeters will simply be equal to, comparing millimeters and centimeters, centimeters is a higher unit of measuring length. So this will simply be equal to, we are going to divide 90,000 by 10. 90,000 all over 10. The unit will be centimeters. This will simply be equal to 9,000 centimeters. Next, we have to convert 9,000 centimeters to meters. 9,000 centimeters will simply be equal to, we are going to divide 9,000 by 100, and the unit will simply be meters. This will simply be equal to 9,000 divided by 100 gives us 90 meters. So we conclude, therefore, 90,000 millimeters is equal to 90 meters. We underline the result. We go now to question B. For B, we have to convert 100,000 centimeters to kilometers. 100,000 centimeters to kilometers. First, we are going to convert the 100,000 centimeters to meters, and then we convert the result to kilometers. We know 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter, and 1,000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Take 100,000 centimeters, converting it to meters. We are simply going to divide 100,000 by 100, and the unit will be meters. This will simply be equal to 100,000 divided by 100 gives us 1,000 meters. Next, we have to convert 1,000 meters to kilometers. We know 1,000 meters is simply equal to 1 kilometers. So this will simply be equal to 1 kilometer. Then we conclude, therefore, 100,000 centimeters is equal to 1 kilometer. We are done with the conventions. If in case you have any problems, you do well to watch our videos on metric systems of measurement. You will learn so much on how to convert the units of distance. Please, you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.